Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a welcome bot to Discord. Let's get started. First, open Discord and select your server on the left hand side. Click the drop down arrow next to your server name, then go to server settings. From the left menu, scroll down and click the on app directory. In the search bar, type Dino and select the bot. Click add app, then choose visit site to continue. Now, you'll need to authorize the bot. Select your server from the drop-down, then click continue. Then scroll down and press authorize. After that, set your time zone. Then choose the channel where you want the welcome message to appear. And click next, then done. Then, use the search bar and type welcome, then turn on the welcome feature. Click settings, go to message, and select your welcome channel again. Now, scroll down and customize your welcome message. You can use variables to personalize it. For example, to mention the new member's name. Once you're done, click update. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.